Hi, welcome to Mathematics with Afzal. Those who are preparing for second PUC board exams, today I am going to explain Model Paper 1 issued by the PU Board 2025-26. In that all the questions I am explaining in easy methods. Watch my channel Mathematics with Afzal. Model question paper issued by the Karnataka PU Board 2025-26. Part A, there are 15 multiple choice questions will be given. In that first question is, let R be the relation in the set capital N is given by capital R equals to A comma B. Condition is A equals to B minus 2 and B is greater than 6. Choose the correct answer. First condition is A equals to B minus 2. That means the difference between A and B is 2. First we'll find out 4 options. The difference 2, 4 difference is 2. 3, 8 difference is 5. 6, 8 difference is 2. 8, 7 difference is 1. According to the condition, B option and D option both are wrong. Then come to the one more condition, B is greater than 6. Here B is 4, it is not greater than 6. It is also wrong answer. Then finally C option is correct, that is 6, 8 belongs to R. Next, second question. The principal value of cot inverse minus 1 is cot inverse minus 1 equals to cot inverse minus theta formula is pi minus cot inverse 1. Then pi minus cot 1 will get in 45 degree, that is pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. If you take the LCM 4 into pi, 4 pi minus pi. 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi divided by 4. Second option 3 pi by 4 is the correct answer. Next, third question. Match the following in column 1 with column 2. Range of secant inverse x. Secant inverse x range is 0 to pi minus pi by 2. That is A is 2. A is 2. Check in the 4 options. Last option D is the correct one. Next, fourth question. A is the matrix of order 4, 3. B is the order 4, 5. Then A transpose B. A transpose order is 3, 4 and B is 4, 5. If 4, 4 same, you will get the order of A transpose B is 3, 5. The question they asked A transpose B whole transpose equal to change rows into columns, columns into rows. 5 cross 3 is the answer. That is A option. Next, fifth question. A equals to matrix 1, 5, 2, 3. Then find determinant A inverse. Determinant A inverse formula is 1 by determinant A. Determinant of A inverse equals to 1 by determinant A. That means first we will find out the determinant A. 1, 5, 2, 3. To find determinant A cross multiplication 1 into 3 minus 2 into 5. 1 3s are 3 minus 2 5s are 10. 3 minus 10 minus 7, that equals to 1 by minus 7. Therefore, C option is correct. Next, sixth question. Statement 1. The function f of x equal to modulus x is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Statement 2. The function f of x equal to mod x is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. According to the conditions of modulus function, it is continuous at x belongs to R, but the question they are given discontinuous. That means statement 1 is false. Not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Here they are given not differentiable at x equal to 0. That means statement 2 is true. First option is correct. Next, seventh question. The derivative of a power log ax with respect to x is, let y equals to a power log of ax then y is equal to x into log a, then y is equal to x into 1, y is equal to x. Derivative, differentiation with respect to x dy by dx equals to, that is d by dx of x equals to 1. 1 is the answer. Next, 8th question. The maximum and minimum values of the function sin 2x plus 5 is, the range of sin x is -1 to 1, then -1, less than or equals to sin 2x less than or is equals to 1. According to the question, they are given plus 5. Now, all the sides add plus 5. Sin 2x plus 5 less than or equals to 1 plus 5. -1 plus 5 is 4, less than or equals to sin of 2x plus 5 less than or equal to 6. Therefore, maximum and minimum values are 4 and 6. First option is correct. Next, 9th question. Integral e power x into secant x into 1 multiply secant x plus secant x into tan x, secant x tan x dx, that equals to, secant x is f of x, the differentiation of secant x, that is f dash x, is secant x plus tan x. According to this formula, the answer is e power x into secant x plus c. C option is correct. Next, 10th question. The order of the differential equation d square y by dx square whole square plus sin of dy by dx equal to 0 is. Order means first order or second order. Here in the question they are given second order, that is d square y by dx square whole square. Order means 2. 2 is the correct answer, that is second option. 11th question. If A is unit vector means magnitude A equals to 1 and x minus A dot x plus A equals to 8. If you multiply modulus x square minus modulus A square equal to 8. Modulus x square minus modulus A is 1 square is equal to 8. Then modulus x square minus 1 square is 1 equal to 8. Then modulus x square equals to 8 minus 1 becomes plus 1. Then modulus x square is equals to 8 plus 1 is 9. Then modulus x is equals to square root of 9. Then modulus x equals to square root of 9 value is 3. That is first option A, 3 is correct. Next, 12th question. The value of lambda for which the vectors are collinear. If two vectors are collinear means A equal to lambda times of B. That means 2 divided by minus 4 equals to minus 3 divided by lambda equals to 4 divided by minus 8. Ratios we are comparing. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, that is 1 by minus 2 equals to minus 3 by lambda. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 1 by minus 2. If we equalize any 2, that is 1 by minus 2 equals to minus 3 into lambda. By cross multiplication, 1 into lambda is lambda, minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6, lambda value is 6. D option is correct. Next, 13th question. The direction ratios of line joining the points 2, 3, minus 4 and 1, minus 2 and 3. Direction ratios formula is, first point if you take it as like x1, y1, z1. Second point is x2, y2, z2. The formula is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. That means 1 minus 2, comma minus 2 minus 3, comma 3 minus half minus 4. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, 3 minus into minus plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 1 minus 5, 7, that is C option is correct. Next, 14th question. Probability of B is 0.5 and probability of A intersection B is 0.32. Then probability of A by B is, probability of A by B formula is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Probability of A divided by B equals to probability of A intersection B 0.32 divided by probability of B 0.6. If you remove both the decimal points, that is 32 by 100 into 10 by 5. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 2 5s are 2 16s are 16 by 25. First option is correct. Next, 15th question. Two cards are drawn random without replacement from a pack of 52 playing cards. Then the probability of the cards are black is. There are black cards 26. We need to draw two cards from the pack of 52 cards. One card if you draw first, 26 by 52 times into second card if you draw, that is without replacement, 25 by 51. Cancel. 26 ones are 26 twos are 25 divided by 2 into 51, 102. B option is correct. Next, second main, fill in the blanks. Options will be given. We have to choose the correct answer in fill in the blanks. The first question, that is 16th one, is cos of pi by 6 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Sin inverse negative is minus sin inverse, that is minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Then cos of pi by 6 plus into minus minus sin 1 by 2 will be getting in 30 degree, that is pi by 6. That equals to cos pi by 6 minus pi by 6 is 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is 1. Therefore answer is 1. Next, 17th question. F of x equals to x minus 1 under modulus. Condition is at x is equal to minus 1. F of x is equals to minus of x minus 1. Therefore, f of x equals to 1 minus x. Left hand derivative, that means find out f dash x, that is differentiation of 1 minus x is 0 minus x is 1, that is minus 1. F dash x value is minus 1. But question they ask at x is equal to minus 1. That means where x is there we have to substitute minus 1. But here there is no x, that means the answer is minus 1 itself. Next, 18th question. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x dx. Here minus a to a f of x dx, if it is an even function, 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. If it is an odd function, the answer will be 0. First we will split the equation. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube dx plus integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cos x plus integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 tan power 5x, that equals to x cube is power 3. 3 is odd function means the integral value becomes 0 plus here x and cos x. X power is 1. Here also odd function only. X cube is odd function. Here also odd function. The value becomes 0 plus tan power 5. This is also odd function. Here also 0. The final answer will be 0. 19th question. For the vectors a and b, 2a minus 3b into 3a minus 2b equals to lambda times a cross b. Then find the value of lambda. 2 3s are 6. A vector cross a vector minus 2 2s are 4. A vector cross b vector minus 3 3s are 9. B vector cross a vector minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. B vector cross b vector equal to lambda times a cross b vector. If it is I cross I, j cross j, k cross k, value will be 0. A cross b can be written as negative of b cross a. That means this answer will be 0, a cross a. This answer also 0, b cross b. Now minus 4 into a cross b plus here b cross a is there, we can change into positive, then b cross a becomes a cross b equals to lambda times a cross b vector. Minus 4 plus 9 is 5 times a cross b equals to lambda into a cross b. Then if you compare the two, the value of lambda is 5. Next, question number 20. If A and B are independent events, probability of A is 1 by 2, probability of B is 2 by 3, probability of A intersection B is 1 by k, then find the value of k. If A and B are independent events, the formula is probability of A intersection B, that is 1 by k, equals to probability of A 1 by 2 into probability of B 2 by 3. 2 to cancel. 1 by k equals to 1 by 3. If you cross multiply, k value is 3. Next part B. In that 6 questions you have to attempt. There are 2 marks questions. 21st question. Find the equation of line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6 by using determinants. Equation of line means 3 points are collinear. The meaning of 3 points are collinear is area of triangle becomes 0. To find area of triangle, we need one more point also. Let the point x comma y. Then area of triangle becomes 0. Then we can find out equation of line. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into the one point is 1, 2, other point 3, 6, third point we took xy, then 1, 1, 1 equalize to 0. Then we have to find out the determinant. Determinant finding the method is plus, minus, plus. First one row we have to take, leaving that row, that column, remaining will be getting 6, 1, y, 1. Minus 2 into, leaving that row, that column will be getting 3, 1, x1. Plus 1 into, leaving one row and one column, remaining will get 3, 6, xy equal to 0. Then 1 by 2 into 1 into determinant we have to find out. To find the determinant of any matrix, that is ABCD matrix is there, by cross multiplication AD minus BC. This is the finding of determinant of any 2 cross 2 matrix. Now 6 ones are 6 minus y ones are y minus 2 into 3 ones are 3 minus x ones are x plus 1 into 3 into y 3y minus x into 6 6x equals to 0. Then 1 by 2 multiply 1 into 6 is 6, 1 y's are y minus 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus, 2 into x is 2x, plus 1 into 3y 3y, minus 1 into 6x 6x equals to 0. Then 1 by 2 into 2x minus 6x is minus 4x, minus y plus 3y is plus 2y, 6 and 6 cancel equal to 0. Then 1 by 2, here 2 terms you can take 2 common, 2 minus 2 times 2 one time equals to 0. 2 and 2 cancel, minus 2x plus y equals to 0. And if we change the symbols, that is, we can write as 2x minus y equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Next, 22nd question. Find dy by dx if y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. By looking the question only, we will get the idea, the formula of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta formula. Then question they have given y equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Now we have to do substitution method. Put x equals to tan theta. Then y equals to cos inverse 1 minus, in place of x, if we substitute tan theta, it becomes tan square theta. Denominator 1 plus tan square theta. Y equals to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta formula is cos of 2 theta. The y equals to cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. Then y equals to 2. Here you can write theta is tan inverse x. Therefore, theta place we can write tan inverse x. This is the y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Y becomes dy by dx. 2 is a constant as it is. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. That equals to 2 ones are 2 divided by 1 plus x square.
Next, 23rd question. Find the intervals in which the function f of x equals to 2x square minus 3x is increasing or decreasing. First we need to find out differentiation, that is f dash x. 2 into x square differentiation is 2x, 3 into x differentiation is 1, that is 2 2s are 4x minus 3. For increasing or decreasing, we need to equalize f dash x equals to 0. Then f dash x is 4x minus 3 equals to 0. 4x equals to 3. X equals to 3 by 4. Next step, we need to draw number line of given interval, that is minus infinity to infinity. The x value is 3 by 4. Next we have to take the interval of minus infinity comma 3 by 4. We need to substitute the middle value of minus infinity and 3 by 4. 0 will take in f dash x. F dash x is 4x minus 3. We substitute f dash 0. 4 into 0 minus 3 equals to 0 minus 3, which is minus 3 is less than 0. If f dash c is lesser than 0, f is decreasing. Therefore, f is decreasing in minus infinity comma 3 by 4. Next interval 3 by 4 comma infinity. In middle of 3 by 4 and infinity, we'll take one value, it is 1, that we have to substitute in f dash x, that is f dash 1 equals to 4 into 1 minus 3. 4 ones are 4 minus 3. 1 is greater than 0. F dash is greater than 0. F is increasing. Therefore, f is increasing in 3 by 4 comma infinity. 24th question. Find the absolute maximum value of the function f of x equals to x minus 1 whole square plus 3 on the interval minus 3 comma 1. To finding absolute maximum or minimum value, first we need to find out f dash x. X minus 1 if you differentiate 2 into x minus 1. Again x minus 1 if you differentiate x is 1, 1 is 0 plus 3 differentiation is 0. That equals to 2 into x minus 1 into 1 minus 0 is 1. Then if you multiply 2 into 1, 2 into x minus 1 is the f dash x. For increasing or decreasing or for maxima or minima, both the questions we need to equalize f dash x equals to 0. That is 2 into x minus 1 equals to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0 divided by 2. X minus 1 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 1 if you transpose that side, it becomes 1. X value is 1. It is belongs to given interval minus 3 comma 1. At x is equal to first interval if you take 3, that is f of minus 3 equal to, where x is there you substitute in place of x3, minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3, which is minus 4 square plus 3, minus 4 square is 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3 is 19, 19 is greater than 0. If f of a is greater than 0, we'll get absolute maximum value. Therefore, absolute maximum value of the function f of x is 19 at x is equals to minus 3. Next, integration x cube into log x dx. Integral x cube into log x dx. This is in the form of like integral by parts. We have to use this formula. And we have to decide which is the first function and which is the second function. That is, it depends upon the isolate condition. Isolate means I means inverse trigonometry, L means logarithmic, A means arithmetic, T means trigonometry, E means exponential. According to the given question, x cube and log x, logarithmic is the first function, log x into x cube dx. Now log x is first function u, x cube is second function v. Then if you apply the integral by parts formula, first function as it is, second function integration minus integral of second function integration, that is x cube dx, into differentiation of first function log x whole dx, that equals to log x into x cube integration is x power 4 divided by 4 minus integral again x cube integration is x power 4 divided by 4 into log x differentiation is 1 by x dx. 1x x cancel, that is x cube, that equals to log x into x power 4 divided by 4 minus integral x cube divided by 4 dx. Log x into x power 4 divided by 4 minus 1 by 4 is the constant, x cube integration is x power 4 divided by 4 plus c, that equals to log x into x power 4 by 4 minus x power 4 by 4 4s are 16 plus c. Next, 26th question. Find the general solution of differential equation dy by dx equals to 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. If you separate the y variables one side, that is dy by 1 plus y square, x variables other side 1 plus x square into dx. Next, integrate on both the sides. that is integration of dy divided by 1 plus y square equals to integration of 1 plus x square dx. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, but here in place of x, y is there, tan inverse y equals to integral of 1 is x plus integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus c. This is the answer. If you want to convert more, y is equal to tan inverse. If you transpose that side, it becomes tan of x plus x cube by 3 plus c. Next question. Find unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a and b. Unit vector perpendicular to both a and b formula is a cross b divided by magnitude a cross b. First we need to find out a cross b. A cross b means determinant I, j, k, a coefficients 3, 2, 2, b coefficients 1, 2, minus 2. First we should find out the determinant plus minus plus I into 2, 2, 2 minus 2 minus j into 3, 2, 1 minus 2 plus k into 3, 2, 1, 2. Then if you find the determinant, I into 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 2s are 4, minus j into 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 2s are 2, plus k into 3 2s are 6 minus 1 2s are 2. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8i, minus 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 into minus j, it becomes plus 8j, 6 minus 2 plus 4k. Next, magnitude of a cross b. Magnitude means square root of coefficients of ijk minus 8 square plus 8 square plus 4 square. If you simplify that, 8 8s are 64, again 8 8s are 64 plus 4 4s are 16. Then if you add everything, 64 plus 64 plus 16, 144. Square root of 144 is 12.
Next, 28th question. Find the angle between the pair of lines. Angle between the pair of lines formula is cos theta is equal to b1 dot b2 divided by magnitude b1 into magnitude b2. a1, b1, a2, b2. First we'll find out b1 dot b2. b1 is I plus 2j plus 2k dot b2 is 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Dot product is I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. If you multiply, I coefficients 1 into 3 plus j coefficients 2 into 2 plus k coefficients 2 into 6. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 6 2s are 12. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 12 19. Next, b1 magnitude. Magnitude of b1 is I plus 2j plus 2k. To find the magnitude, coefficients of I square, coefficients of j square, coefficient of k square. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4. Square root of 9 value is 3. Next, magnitude of b2. b2 is 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Square root of I coefficient 3 square, j coefficient 2 square, k coefficient k square. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 6 6 are 36, 9 plus 4 plus 36 is 49, 49 square root is 7. Therefore, cos theta equals to b1 dot b2 divided by magnitude b1 into magnitude b2 under modulus. Then cos theta equals to b1 dot b2 is 19 divided by magnitude of b1 3, magnitude of b2 7. Cos theta equals to 19 divided by 21. Therefore, theta equals to cos, if you transpose that side, cos inverse 19 by 21. 29th question. A die is thrown once. Die is thrown once. Sample space S equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then total number of outcomes N of S is 6. Next, E is the event of appearing a multiple of 3. E is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, 3 comma 6. That is N of E equals to 2 outcomes. Then probability of E equals to N of E divided by N of S. N of E is 2 by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 by 3. Next, F. F is the event number appearing is even. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6. N of F is the outcomes are 3. Then probability of F equals to N of F divided by N of S. 3 divided by 6, 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2. Next, E intersection F. E 3 comma 6 intersection F 2 comma 4 comma 6, that equals to, which is common here, 6 is the common. Then N of E intersection F equals to 1 outcome. Then probability of E intersection F equals to N of E intersection F divided by N of S, which is 1 by 6. Then to check they are independent events or not, probability of E intersection F equals to probability of E into probability of F. Probability of E is 1 by 3. Probability of F is 1 by 2. If you multiply, 1 by 6. The probability of E intersection B is 1 by 6. Therefore, E and F are independent events. Next, part C, 3 marks questions. Show that the relation in the set of real numbers are defined as A comma B such that A less than or equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. First, we should prove reflexive. If A comma A belongs to R, for all small a belongs to R such that A less than or is equal to A. Therefore, A comma A belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive. Next, symmetric. If A comma B belongs to R, A less than or equal to B, but B not less than or is equal to A. Therefore, B comma A not belongs to R is not symmetric. Next, transitive. If A comma B belongs to R, that means A less than or equal to B. B comma C belongs to R, that means B less than or equal to C. And if you combine those two, it be same A less than or equal to C, then we can say as A comma C belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Therefore, finally we can write R is reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric. 31st question. Write tan inverse square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x in simplest form. If it is 1 plus x square means we have to substitute in place of x tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta. Then theta becomes tan inverse x. Tan inverse square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by x is tan theta. That equals to tan inverse square root of 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Square and root cancel. That equals to tan inverse secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. That equals to tan inverse. Take the LCM in place of numerator cos theta. 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta. Denominator write as it is, that is sin theta by cos theta. Both the denominators cos theta and cos theta cancel. Then tan theta then tan inverse 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cancel, 1 sin theta by 2, 1 sin theta by 2 cancel. Then tan inverse sin theta by 2 divided by cos of theta by 2. That equals to tan inverse sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Next, tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is theta by 2. That is 1 by 2 into theta. Therefore, 1 by 2 into theta is tan inverse x. Next, 32nd question. Express matrix 1 5 minus 1 2 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix is A equal to half 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus half 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Let matrix A equals to 1 5 minus 1 2. Then A transpose equal to, transpose means change rows into columns, columns into rows. That is 1 minus 1 5 2. First we will find out A plus A transpose. 1 5 minus 1 2 plus A transpose is 1 minus 1 5 2. Add those two matrix 1 plus 1 2, 5 minus 1 4. minus 1 plus 5, 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Next, 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose equals to 1 by 2 into 2, 4, 4, 4. Each and every term multiply by 2, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are. Then 2 and 2 both are same. Therefore, it is symmetric matrix. Next, A minus A transpose. A transpose 1 5 minus 1 2 minus A transpose is 1 minus 1 2. And if we subtract those two, 1 minus 1, 5 minus 2 minus plus 1, minus 1 minus 5, 2 minus 2. 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 plus 1 is 6, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, 2 minus 2 is 0. Then half into A minus A transpose equals to half into 0 6 minus 6 0. To multiply by 1 by 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. 3 minus 3 make around, therefore it is skew symmetric matrix. Then 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose, both if we add, that is 1 2 2 2 plus 0 3 minus 3 0. If you add those two, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, that is 2. Therefore, matrix A can be written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Next, 33rd question, x equals to A into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta equals to A into cos theta, differentiation is minus sin theta, plus theta and sin theta, they are two terms, product rule we have to apply. Theta into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, plus sin theta into differentiation of theta is 1, that equals to A into minus sin theta plus theta cos theta plus sin theta into 1 is sin theta, plus sin theta minus sin theta cancel, A into theta cos theta is dx by d theta. Next, y equals to A into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta equals to A into sin theta, differentiation is cos theta minus theta and cos theta, again apply product rule. Product rule is mentioned here. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. That means theta into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus cos theta into differentiation of theta is 1, that equals to A into cos theta minus into minus plus theta sin theta plus into minus minus cos theta, plus cos theta minus cos theta cancel, A into theta sin theta is dy by d theta. Then we need to find out dy by dx, that means dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. dy by d theta is A theta sin theta divided by dx by d theta is A theta cos theta. A theta cancel, sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. Next, 34th question. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. That means rate of increase of volume, that is dV by dt equals to 900 cc per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. Rate of increase of radius dr by dt equals to question mark when radius is 15 centimeter. Volume of sphere V equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to time. Dv by dt equals to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. Differentiation is 3r square into r differentiation dr by dt. 3 and 3 cancel. dv by dt value is 900. 4 into pi r square 15 into 15 into dr by dt. Then 900 equals to 4 into 15 into 15. 4 into 15 is 60. 60 into 15 is 900 pi into dr by dt. Next 900 divided by 900 pi equals to dr by dt. 900 ones are 900 ones are cancelled. Next dr by dt equals to 1 by pi centimeter per second. Therefore, rate of increase of radius is 1 by pi centimeter per second. Next 35th question. Integrate x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. First we need to find out like partial fractions. X by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equals to, we have to use this a by and b by. A by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. X divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equals to, we take the LCM, which are the denominators, both the denominators write as it is, then a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Both the denominators cancel, then x equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Then to find a value, we need to substitute in place of x minus 2, that is minus 2 equal to a becomes 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. Then minus 2 equals to 0 plus b into minus 1. Then minus 2 equals to minus b equals to 2. Then to find a value, b place x substitute minus 1, that is minus 1 equals to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into 0. Minus 1 equals to a into minus 2 plus 1 is 1, then minus 1 is equal to a, therefore a is minus 1. Then we can be written as integral x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx equals to integral a, that is minus 1 by x plus 1 dx plus b 2 by integral x plus 2 dx minus integral 1 by x plus 1 is log x plus 1 plus 2 into 1 by integral x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus c, that equals to minus log of x plus 1 by logarithmic concept x plus 2 whole square plus c, that is equal to log of x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 1 plus c. In logarithmic, middle minus is there, it becomes division. Next, 36th question. If A, B, C are unit vectors, unit vector means magnitude of vector A and B and C is 1, such that A plus B plus C equals to 0. Then find A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. A plus B plus C whole square formula is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now square on both the sides. A vector plus B vector plus C vector whole square equals to 0 vector whole square. That is magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus magnitude C square plus 2A dot B plus 2B dot C plus 2C dot A equals to 0. Magnitude A is 1 square, magnitude B also 1 square, magnitude C also 1 square, plus 2 if you take common, A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equals to 0. 1 square is 1, again 1 square is 1, again 1 square is 1, plus 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equals to 0. Then 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to 3 if you transpose that side, minus 3. Therefore A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equals to minus 3. To transpose that side, minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Next, 37th question. Find the distance between the lines r vector equals to a1 plus lambda b1, other vector a2 plus mu b2. If you observe the question, b1 and b2 both are same, that means they are parallel lines. Shortest distance between the lines is a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 divided by magnitude b1 cross b2. But if it is a parallel line, shortest distance is a2 minus a1 cross b vector magnitude divided by magnitude of b vector under modulus. First we should find out a2 minus a1. a2 vector is 3i plus 3j minus 4k minus a1 vector is I plus 2j minus 4k. 3 minus 1 into I plus 3 minus 2 into j plus minus 5 minus into minus plus 4 into k. 3 minus 1 2i plus 3 minus 2 1j minus 5 plus 4 1k. Next, b vector is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Magnitude of b vector square root of I coefficient plus j coefficient plus k coefficient whole squares, that equals to 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 6 6 are 36. 4 plus 9 plus 36 is square root of 49. Square root of 49 value is 7. Next, a2 minus a1 cross b vector. Cross product finding like matrix determinant ijk. a2 minus a1 coefficients are 2, 1, minus 1. B coefficients are 2, 3, 6. Then find the determinant plus minus plus I into 1 6 are 6 minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3 minus j into 2 6 are 12 minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2 plus k into 2 3s are 6 minus 2 1s are 2. That equals to 6 plus 3 9i 12 plus 2 14j 6 plus 3 9i 12 plus 2 minus 14j plus 6 minus 2 4k. Then magnitude of a2 minus a1 cross b vector equals to square root of 9 square plus minus 14 square plus 4 square. That equals to 9 9s are 81 plus 14 14s are 196 plus 4 4s are 16. If you add 81 plus 196 plus 16, 293 will be getting. Therefore, shortest distance equals to square root of 293 divided by 7. Question. Bag 1 contains 3 red balls, 4 black balls, total 7 balls. Bag 2 contains 5 red balls, 6 black balls, total 11 balls. A ball is drawn from one bag that found to be red. That means probability of red from bag 1. 3 red are there, total 7. Probability of red from bag 2. Here 5 red balls are there, total 11. 5 by 11. Find the probability that it was drawn from the bag 1. There are 2 bags, bag 1 and bag 2. Probability of B1, that is bag 1, is 1 by 2. And probability of bag 2, that is 1 by 2. Then question is, probability of ball drawn from bag 2. Bag 2 red ball should be there. B2 by R equals to, the formula is probability of B2 into probability of R by B2 divided by probability of B1 into probability of R by B1 plus probability of B2 into probability of R divided by B2. That equals to probability of B2 is 1 by 2 into probability of R by B2 is 5 by 11 divided by probability of B1 is 1 by 2 into probability of R by B1 is 3 by 7 plus probability of B2 1 by 2 into probability of R by B2 is 5 by 11. That equals to 1 5s are 5, 11 2s are 22 divided by 3 1s are 3 by 2 7s are 14 plus 5 1s are 5 by 2 11s are 22. That equals to 14 comma 22. Find out LCM. 2 7s are 2 11s are. Therefore LCM equals to 2 into 7 into 11. 2 7s are 14, 14 into 11, 154 is the LCM. 5 divided by 22, keep it as it is. Denominator part take LCM 154. 14 11 times, that is 3 into 11, plus 22 7 times, that is 5 into 7, that equals to 5 divided by 22 divided by 33 plus 5 sevens are 35 divided by 154, that equals to 5 divided by 22 into 154 divided by 33 plus 35, 68. 11 twos are 11 1, 11 4, 2 ones are 2 sevens are 7 fives are 35 divided by 68 is the answer. Next, fifth main, 5 marks questions. In that 39th one, f of x equals to 1 plus x square for all x comma belongs to R is f 1 1 and on 2. Justify your answer. First we have to check 1 1. Let f of x1 equals to f of x2. In place of x, write first x1, that is 1 plus x1 square equals to 1 plus x2 square. Both the sides 1 and 1 cancel. X1 square. X2 square transpose from right hand side to left hand side. It becomes 0. Then x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2 equals to 0. If you separate, x1 plus x2 is equals to 0. x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. x1 is equal to minus x2 and one more x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to minus x2 is wrong. Therefore, f is not 1 1. Next, on to let f of x is equal to y, where y belongs to R. F of x is 1 plus x square is equal to y. Then x square is equals to y minus 1. X is equal to square root of y minus 1. Square root of y minus 1 is not belongs to capital R, because if you put in place of y 0, 0 minus 1 is under root minus 1 it will come, it's not belongs to R. That means f is not onto. Therefore, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Next question. A, B, C, 3 matrices of 3 cross 3 order they have given, and find A plus B and B minus C and verify that A plus B minus C equals to A plus B minus C. First we will find out A plus B. First A matrix is 2 1 0 minus 3 1 1 1 2 minus 1 plus B matrix 1 2 1 minus 3 4 1 5 3 2. Add the corresponding elements. 2 plus 1 1 plus 2 0 plus 1 minus 1 minus 3 3 plus 4 1 plus 1 1 plus 5 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 2. Then if you add that 3 3 1 minus 4 7 2 6 5 1, this is A plus B. Then we will find out B minus C. B matrix is 1 2 1 minus 3 4 1 5 3 2 minus C matrix 1 minus 3 minus 1 4 2 5 1 4 6. If you subtract those two, 1 minus 1, 2 minus half minus plus 3, 1 minus half minus plus 1, minus 3 minus 4, 4 minus 2, 1 minus 5, 5 minus 1, 3 minus 4, 2 minus 6. Then if you subtract 1 minus 1 0, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 1 2, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, 4 minus 2 2, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Next verify, take first LHS left hand side one, A plus B minus C. First A matrix 2 1 0 minus 1 3 1 1 2 minus 1 plus B minus C matrix already we found 0 5 2 minus 7 2 minus 4 4 minus 1 minus 4. Add the corresponding elements 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 5 6, 0 plus 2 2, minus 1 minus 7 minus 8, 3 plus 2 5, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 1 plus 4 5, 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, which is equation number 1. Second one, RHS, that is A plus B minus C. First we will write A plus B matrix, then C matrix. A plus B matrix is 3 3 1, minus 4 7 2, 6 5 1. C matrix is 1 minus 3 minus 1, 4 2 5, 1 4 6. If you subtract those two, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus half minus 3 is 6, 1 minus half minus 1 2, minus 4 minus 8, 7 minus 2 5, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 6 minus 1 5, 7 minus 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, which is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 both are same, therefore LHS equals to RHS. Question number 41. Solve the following system of linear equations using matrix method. I have given the three equations. The three equations we have to write first. 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. First question. Solve the following system of linear equations using matrix method. The first equation is 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 5. Second equation, x minus 2y plus z equals to minus 4. Third equation, 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 3. Now matrix A equals to, first we should write the coefficients 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Next x. The variables are x, y, z. Next B matrix 5, minus 4, 3. This is in the form of actually Ax is equals to B. That means x equals to A inverse into B. The formula also here is there. Then A inverse equals to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. First we need to find out determinant of A. Determinant of 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. To find determinant, plus, minus, plus are the symbols. 2 into leaving that row, that column, minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Next minus 3 into leaving minus 3 row and minus 3 column, 1, 1, 3 minus 2. Next plus 3 into leaving 3 column and 3 row, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1. Next 2 into Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 3 into 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 3 ones are 3. Plus 3 into 1 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. That equals to 2 into minus into minus plus 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Plus 3 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 6, that is plus 3 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5. Two into 4 minus into minus plus 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus 3 into minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Plus 3 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5. 2 5s are 10. Plus 3 5s are 15. Plus 3 5s are 15. 40. 40 is not is equals to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Then we should find out adjoint A. Before finding adjoint A, first we need to find out cofactors of A. Then we will find out adjoint A. Adjoint A is the transpose matrix of cofactors of A. Cofactors of matrix A. A having 9 elements. Each and every element we have to find out the cofactors. First we will find out 2 cofactors plus leaving 2 row and 2 column, minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 2. Then minus 3 row 3 column if you leave, you will get 1 1 3 minus 2. Next 3 row 3 column if you leave, you will get 1 minus 2 3 minus 1. Next 1 minus, leave that row and that column, you will be getting 3 3 minus 1 minus 2. Next plus minus 2 row minus 2 column if you leave, you will get 2 3 3 minus 2. Next 1 row 1 column if you leave, we will be getting 2 3 3 minus 1. Next 3 row 3 column if we leave, we will be getting 3 3 minus 2 1. Next minus 1 row minus 1 column if we leave, you will get 2 3 1 1. Next minus 2 row and minus 2 column if you leave, you will get 2 3 1 minus 2. Then simplify. Plus of minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus to minus plus 1, then minus of minus 2 minus 3, then plus of minus 1 plus 6, next minus of minus 6 plus 3, next plus of minus 4 minus 9, then minus of minus 2 minus 9, next plus of 3 plus 6 minus of 2 minus 3 plus of minus 4 minus 3. Then if we simplify, 5 5 5 3 minus 13 11 9 1 minus 7. Then we'll find out adjoint A. Adjoint A means the transpose of four factors of matrix, that is 5, 5, 5, 3, minus 13, 11, 9, 1, minus 7. Next, we should find out the value of x equals to A inverse into B. That is, x is xyz, A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B. Then x, y, z equals to 1 by determinant A value is 40, adjoint A is 5, 3, 9, 5, minus 13, 1, 5, 11, minus 7 into B matrix is 5 minus 4, 3, 5 minus 4, 3. Next, multiply both the matrix. 5 5s are 25, minus 3 4s are 12, plus 9 3s are 27. Again 5 5s are 25, plus 13 4s are 52, plus 3 1s are 3. Again 5 5s are 25, minus 11 4s are 44, minus 7 3s are 21. That equals to 1 by 40 into 25 minus 12 plus 27 is 40. 25 plus 52 plus 3 is 80. 25 minus 44 minus 21 is minus 40. If you divide with 40 each and every term, 41s are 40, 42s are 80, 40 minus 1 times minus 40. Then x is 1, y is 2, z is minus 1. Next, 42nd question. Y equals to A cos of log x plus B sin of log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y becomes y1 equals to A into cos differentiation is minus sin of log x. Log x differentiation 1 by x plus B into sin x differentiation is cos of log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. Then y1 equals to, take the LCM, x minus A sin of log x plus B cos of log x. By cross multiplication, x into y1 equals to minus A sin of log x plus B cos of log x. Again, differentiate with respect to x. X is u, y1 is v. Product rule if we apply, x into differentiation of y1 is y2 plus y1 into differentiation of x is 1 equals to minus A sin differentiation is cos of log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x plus B into cos differentiation is minus sin log x into log x differentiation is 1 by x. Then x y2 plus y1 into 1 is y1 equals to, take the LCM again, x minus, if you take common, A cos of log x plus B sin of log x. By cross multiplication, x into xy2 plus y1 equals to minus a cos x of log x plus by cross multiplication x into xy2 plus xy1 equals to minus a cos of log x plus b sin of log x is y. In the question only they have given. Then x into x square y2 plus x into y1 xy1 minus y transpose this side plus y is equals to 0, which is to prove. Next, 43rd question. Find the integral of 1 by square root of a square minus x square. 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx equals to, if it is a square minus x square means x equal to a sin theta, we have to substitute. If you substitute x is equal to a sin theta, then theta is equals to sin inverse of x by a. Differentiate dx is equal to a is a sin theta differentiation cos theta, theta differentiation d theta. Then integral dx is a cos theta d theta divided by square root of a square minus, in place of x if you substitute a, it becomes a square sin square theta, that equals to integral a cos theta d theta divided by square root of a square, if you take common, 1 minus sin square theta, that equals to integral a cos theta d theta divided by square root of a square, 1 minus sin square is cos square theta, that equals to integral a cos theta d theta divided by square root of a cos theta whole square, we can write. Then square and root cancel. Integral a cos theta d theta divided by a cos theta. A cos theta cancel. Integral d theta. Integral d theta is theta plus c. Theta value is sin inverse x by a plus c. Next, integral dx divided by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. First we need to factorize 7 minus 6x minus x square. It is not in order. First arrange in order. Minus x square minus 6x plus 7, that equals to, take minus common, x square plus 6x minus 7. Now this we have to factorize like a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Minus of x can be written as x whole square. 6x can be written as 2 into x into 3. That means b value is 3 here. Add 3 square and subtract 3 square minus 7, that equals to minus of, this is a plus b whole square formula, that is x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7, that equals to minus x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7 is minus 16. Then multiply with minus symbol. 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. 16 can be written as 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus x square. If you compare, a value is 4, x value is x plus 3. The question is integral dx divided by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square, that equals to integral dx divided by square root of 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. Now according to the formula, sin inverse x by a, x is x by 3, a is 4 plus c is the answer. 44th question, find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x between 0 to 2 pi. Integral 0 to 2 pi sin x dx equals to, sin x is positive in 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi is negative. That is range of sin. 0 to pi sin x dx plus pi to 2 pi sin x dx. Pi to 2 pi is negative of sin x. That equals to sin x integration is minus of cos x 0 to pi plus into minus minus. Again sin x integration is minus cos x pi to 2 pi. That equals to minus, take it outside. First apply upper limit cos pi minus cos 0, minus into minus plus. Here also apply first upper limit cos 2 pi minus cos pi. That equals to minus of cos pi is minus 1 minus cos 0 is 1 plus cos 2 pi is plus 1 minus cos pi is minus 1. That equals to minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 minus into minus plus 1. 2 plus 2, 4 square units is the area. 45th question, find the general solution of differential equation 1 plus x square into dy plus 2xy dx equals to cot x dx. The whole expression divided by 1 plus whole expression divided by 1 plus x square into dx. That means dy by dx plus 2xy divided by 1 plus x square equals to cot x divided by 1 plus x square. Now this is in the form of dy by dx plus py equals to q. Now p is 2x divided by 1 plus x square, q is cot x divided by 1 plus x square. First we need to find out if. If means integral factor. Integral factor formula is e power integration of p dx. That equals to e power integration of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Then by substitution method, 1 plus x square equal to t, 2x dx equals to dt. That equals to e power integral dt divided by t. That is e power log t. That equals to e power log of e power log of t value is 1 plus x square. Log there is no base means it is understood as base e will be there. Therefore the whole value becomes 1 plus x square is the integral factor. Next, general solution is y into if equals to integral q into if dx. Then y into 1 plus x square equals to integral q is cot x divided by 1 plus x square into if is 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square cancel. then y into 1 plus x square equals to integral cot x dx. Integral cot x dx is log of sin x plus c, that equals to y into 1 plus x square equals to log of sin x plus c is the general solution. Next question, 46th one, part E. This is 6 marks question. Prove that integral 0 to 2a f of x dx equals to, you can split as 0 to a f of x dx plus a to 2a f of x dx. 0 to a f of x dx will keep as it is. Will change a to 2a f of x dx. Here put x equals to 2a minus t. Then dx equals to minus dt. Then if you change here, t equals to 2a minus x. If it is x is a, t equals to 2a minus a, which is a. If x is 2a, t equals to 2a minus 2a, which is 0. That equals to integral 0 to a f of x dx plus lower limit a becomes a, upper limit 2a becomes 0, f of x is 2a minus t, dx is minus dt. That equals to 0 to a f of x dx plus integral, negative symbol if you make it positive, limits becomes 0 to a f of 2a minus t dt. That equals to integral 0 to a f of x dx equals to integral 0 to a f of 2a minus t changes to x, that is 2a minus x into dx. Now according to the condition, if f of 2a minus x equals to f of x, then 0 to a f of x dx plus this becomes 0 to a f of x dx. Now both are same, it will be 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. The first one completed. Next condition, if f of 2a minus x equals to minus of f of x, then 0 to a f of x dx plus integral 0 to a minus of f of x dx. Both are same, one is positive and one is negative, both cancel, answer will be. Next we have to find out integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5 dx. Integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5 dx. Then we have to check the conditions of f of 2a minus x. That means f of x equals to cos power 5x. Then f of 2 pi minus x equals to cos of 2 pi minus x whole power 5. Cos of 360 minus theta is cos x whole power 5, that equals to cos power 5x only, that equals to we will get f of x only. That means the first condition satisfies. Therefore, integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5 x dx equals to 2 times integral 0 to pi cos power 5x dx. Now again we have to apply for this condition. Here f of x is cos power 5x, f of pi minus x is cos pi minus x whole power 5. Cos 180 minus x is minus of cos x whole power 5. Minus multiply 5 times, we will be getting minus of cos power 5x, which is minus f of x. If we get the negative of f of x, the answer of cos power 5x dx integral 0 to pi is 0. Therefore, finally the answer is 2 into 0. 0 is the answer. Next, 46th R question. Maximize z is equals to 3x plus 2y. Subject to constraints 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. We'll take it as x plus 2y equal to 10. Second constraint 3x plus y less than or equal to 15. Here also we'll take it as 3x plus y equal to 15. If x0, finding the y value, that is 10 by 2, 5. 0 comma 5 is the 1 point. If y is 0, x value is 10. The point is 10 comma 0. Here x is 0, y value is 15. The point is 0 comma 15. Y is 0, x value is 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 comma 0. Here what values are there, we have to mention first. Here y value is there. Here x value is there. Here y value. Here x value. Then one more we have to find out here, that is 0 test. For first constraint, one more test we have to find out, that is 0 test. That is one more test we have to do, that is a 0 test. For first constraint, x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. That means 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 10. 0 less than or equal to 10. 0 less than or is equal to 10 is true. If true means the graph shading true means graph shading below the line. Next, second constraint, that is 3x plus y less than or equal to 15. Here also apply the 0 test. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 15. 0 less than 15. Here also true. Here also graph is below the line only. Now we'll plot the points on the graph sheet. 0, we'll take it as x-axis 5 units, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Y-axis also will take 5 units, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. First point is y is 5. Y is 5. Second point, x is 10. X is 10. And if you take the scale, both the points if you join, you will get the line. Then the first equation we have to shade below the line. Below the line means the shading part will be getting below the line. Next, second point, y is 15. Y is 15 and x is 5. X is 5. Here also join both the points by using scale. Now according to the zero test, we have to shade below the line. Now both the points where it is joining, that is the feasible region. Feasible region is this part. That is, if you find the corner points 0, A, B, C. O point is, that is 0, 0. A point is 0, 5. C point is 5, 0. Then we have to find out the B point. B point finding. Solve both the equations, that is x plus 2y equal to 10, 3x plus y equals to 15. The first equation multiply by 3, will be getting 3x plus 6y equals to 30. Then second equation, 3x plus y equals to 15. By subtract both the equations, 3x cancel, 5y equals to 15, y value is 3. Next, substitute y is equal to 3 in equation number 1, that is x plus 2 into 3 equal to 10, that is x is equal to 2 3s are 6, x is 4. That means B point is 4, 3. These are the corner points. Corner point A is 0, 5. Then corner points B is 4, 3. Then another corner point C is 5, 0. Another corner point O is 0, 0. Now z is equal to 3x plus 2y. We have to substitute the values of x and y. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 5 equals to 0 plus 10, 10. 3 into 4 plus 2 into 3 equals to 3 4s are 12 plus 2 3s are 6, 18. 3 into 5 plus 2 into 0 equals to 3 5s are 15 plus 0, 15. Next, 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0, which is 0 plus 0 is 0. Question is maximize. Maximize means bigger value. Therefore, 18 is the maximum value. Therefore, the maximum value of z is 18 at the corner point 4, 3. What is seventh question? A equals to matrix 3 1 minus 1 2. Show that a square minus 5a plus 7a equal to 0. Using this matrix equation, find A inverse. A square first we have to find out, that is A into A. A matrix is 3 1 minus 1 2 into A matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. And if you multiply rows and columns, 3 3s are 9, minus 1, 3 1s are 3, plus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, plus 4. That equals to 8, 5, minus 5, 3 is a square. Next 5a. 5a means 5 into matrix A. 5 into each and every element multiply. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 5 2s are 10. Next 7i. 7 into I means unit or identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. 7 1s are 7, 0 0, 7 1s are 7. Then a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to a square is 8, 5, minus 5, 3, minus 5a is 15, 5, minus 5, 10, plus 7i is 7007. That equals to, simplify, 8 minus 15 plus 7, 5 minus 5 plus 0, minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 plus 0, 3 minus 10 plus 7. Then if you simplify, you will get 0 0 0. And overall, therefore, a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0 verified. Now using this equation, we have to find out A inverse. The whole expression multiplied by A inverse. That means A square into A inverse minus 5A into A inverse plus 7i into A inverse equals to 0. A square into A inverse is A minus 5 A into A inverse is I plus 7 I into A inverse is A inverse equals to 0. Now we should find out here 7 A inverse equals to minus 5A becomes plus 5Y, A becomes minus A. Then 7 A inverse equals to 5 into I 1001 minus A matrix is 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2. That equals to 5 1s are 5 minus 3, 0 minus 1, 5 zeros are 0 plus 1, 5 1s are 5 minus 2. That equals to 2 minus 1, 1, 3. This is 7A inverse. But we need A inverse. Therefore, A inverse equals to 7 if you transpose that side. 1 by 7 into 2 minus 1, 1, 3. This is the A inverse. Next question. Find the value of k so that the function f of x equal to kx plus 1, x less than or equal to pi. Cos x if x greater than pi is continuous at x is equal to pi. F of x is continuous at x is equal to pi. That means LHL equals to RHL is equals to f of pi. LHL means limit x tends to pi minus f of x equals to RHL means limit x tends to pi plus f of x equals to f of pi. Limit x tends to pi minus means x less than pi condition is limit x tends to pi kx plus 1 equals to, next limit x tends to pi plus means greater than condition cos x. equal to f of pi means equal to is substitute direct pi in that is k into pi plus 1. Then here x tends to pi means k pi plus 1 is equals to cos pi equals to k pi plus 1. Therefore k pi plus 1 is equal to cos pi value is minus 1. K pi equals to minus 1 plus 1 becomes minus 1. K pi equals to minus 2. K equals to minus 2 divided by pi.